Well, he did make his first court appearance here. He didn't make any comments, but he did turn over documents saying that he needs a public defender because he can't afford one paid for by taxpayers. After that, he was turned over formally to the U.S. Marshals. Shackled and in handcuffs, wearing a black T-shirt and jeans, Larry Brock was escorted into Judge Jeffrey Curitan's courtroom by federal marshals. It was a stark difference from the video and pictures that have emerged on social media of Brock in body armor, a military-style helmet, tactical vest, and holding flex cuffs. The former Air Force Lieutenant Colonel didn't make a statement during the hearing, instead sitting next to his public defender as his legs shook. Brock's been charged with knowingly entering a restricted building without lawful authority and one count of violent entry and disorderly conduct on Capitol grounds. Authorities released this picture of Brock as he was seen leaving Speaker of the House Nancy Pelosi's office after court documents say he forced his way in. And this is his mugshot after being arrested in Grapevine for those actions. The acting U.S. attorney for the Northern District of Texas said in a tweet, Wednesday's Capitol riots were a disgrace. Forcibly storming a government building is a shocking betrayal of the rule of law, and we are proud to hold Brock accountable. Authorities released an affidavit saying Brock was identified after his ex-wife saw a picture of him at the Capitol and called the FBI. She's quoted in court documents, "I just know that when I saw this was happening, I was afraid he would be there. It is such a good picture of him, and I recognized his patch." The FBI says the patch he was wearing is from his service as an Air Force pilot. USA! Brock was granted a public defender after submitting financial records saying he could not afford an attorney. Now, no one from his family or his friends were in the courtroom, only media. There will be another court hearing on Thursday at 1:30 at this courthouse where the judge will decide if he will be released or stay in custody. If he stays in custody, he will eventually be sent back to Washington, D.C., because that is where the trial will be held. Back to you guys.